All right, welcome back to Nobody's Corner. We've switched cameras. Hopefully we don't kill anything today. And we just are about finished uploading the review on my Leatherman Wave. Sheath has seen better days, but you can't fault the nylon because this is made out of leather, and although I probably prefer it, it does have some wear on it. I've had this for as long as I want to throw those cats into burning fires of hell. I've had this for, I want to say, 4 or 5 years. Carry it every day. You can see the belt loop has permanently deformed to my waistline, where the belt hangs, where it hangs from the belt, I should say. And this Supertool ended up retiring my Leatherman Wave. I received this as a gift, so it was brand new in the box. Let's check it out. Snap still holds pretty good. And there you go. There's your logo. Supertool 300. This is not the blackened version. This is the stainless steel. You'll see the graduations for centimeters in on this side. I believe we've got inches on the other. Leatherman logo. Put the sheath over here. Now, there is a couple of things that have happened to this one. You hear that? I don't know if all the locks do that. See that? I don't particularly care, but it's something that I've noticed. And it didn't do that, I don't think, when I first got it. Again, I got this brand new as a gift. Let's open her up. All the tools are on the inside. Slick exterior. One of my friends actually carries the blackened version, which I believe is supposed to be for more electrical work. He's an IT tech, so he does a lot of wiring and installation of computers and servers, so that's better. You see the brilliant sheen on the stainless. Got some gunk in here, probably when I try to chop down a tree with the pliers, of course. Trying to get that crap out of there. I've wasted 3.5 minutes already. There we are. Use the old trusty Skyline as a picking tool. You can see the removable jaws, which come in handy. Let's get a close-up if we can. Not too much damage to them. A little bit less precise than the Wave. That's kind of a shame, but they are bigger, so I'd expect them to take a little bit more of a beating. And we see some of the tools. I'm sure everybody's familiar. So this is just for oogling or for people that are new to multi-tools, or perhaps just new to the Supertool 300. Let's grab the file out of here. I don't think I've used this for much. Still pretty much brand new. A little bit of oxidation in there in the pattern. I have had a couple things happen to this one. My medium flat blade is a little bit marred up right there, if you can see. My large flat blade is still doing pretty good. Let's put those away. The awl I've actually used on wood. You can see a little bit of the edge right there where it's been used. pretty good tool. You almost never need it, but when you do, it's great to have. Great not to have to sacrifice a blade. Here we are, the main blade. A little bit of oxidation there. This is carried every day. We have some precipitation this whole month. There. But other than that, pretty good condition. I've used this for plenty of boxes along with my EDC blades. That's it for that side. We're going to get to the part where we injured one of the tools. This has a warranty, but I just haven't had the heart to take this off my belt other than this for this review. You can see where I broke off the fine part of the tip here on the small flat blade. This is probably still usable, but it is broken, as you can see right here. Let's see if we can get that to focus right there. Quite broken. So they're not indestructible. My understanding is that Leatherman has a great warranty, though. One of my friends, another friend, has this exact same one and has sent it in 3 times for repairs. No questions asked, just mails it off, gets sent back. There's the Phillips driver, not in super great condition. This is a used tool. This is not something that sits in a shelf or in a drawer. I've taken things apart on vehicles at work and also at home. There's your cap lifter and your bottle opener. Always comes in handy. Let's go for the other blade here. Use this for more utilitarian cutting. You can see some of the soot and junk I've gotten on that from cutting different materials. But the actual cutting surface is relatively undamaged. Again, after about 4 or 5 years. And you saw, if you've already seen my wave review, you've seen I can use these saws pretty good. This is just about my favorite tool on these. Look at that. Look at that. Those teeth are just like a great white's, ready to devour. I've seen some saws on other multi-tools. This beats them hands down. I'd put this saw up against any other multi-tool. So if you're using this as part of a recommendation, 100% as a user, this is great. I think that's about it. Let's take a look at that sheath. Let's put this back down. I do wish that had scissors, but oh well. You can look at that. The paint on that snap doesn't last very long. Bumping up against things. The leather's gotten discolored. This is supposed to be black. You can see the light brown under it from where it was treated with that coloration. The rear rivets are still good. See that? Still holding. Proper marks right there from being carried every day. All in all, definitely one of my favorite things that I carry every day. Once again, this is Nobody's Corner.